To open a PayPal donation link, you will need to have a PayPal account. If you do not have one, you can create it by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. First, log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Request. Next, you will see a few options, including Request Money, Send Money, and more. Click on the More option and then select Fundraisers and Causes from the list. Here, you can create a new fundraiser by clicking on the Create a Fundraiser button. You will be asked to enter the fundraiser name, description, and goal amount. Fill in this information and click Continue. You will then be asked to add a photo and set up the fundraiser details. You can add a photo from your computer or use a default image provided by PayPal. After setting up the fundraiser, you will be given a link that you can share with others to receive donations. This link can be shared on social media, via email, or on your website. When someone clicks on the link, they will be taken to a page where they can enter the amount they want to donate and complete the transaction using their PayPal account or a credit card. To track the donations, you can log into your PayPal account and go to the Fundraisers and Causes section. Here, you can see the total amount raised, the number of donors, and the individual donations. It is essential to note that PayPal charges a small fee for each transaction, which will be deducted from the donation amount. By following these steps, you can create a PayPal donation link and start receiving donations for your cause. Remember to share the link widely and provide regular updates to your donors to keep them engaged and informed.